This is Rothman. This is video to walk you through part 2 of the song structure challenge. It'll be under class 7 and you'll go under step 4. You should open the handout in the Soundtrap link. On the handout, you've got some notes about pop song structure. So some things to keep in mind: there's 4 beats in a bar, and we're doing these like 4-bar loops to start with. So a 4-bar loop, for example, would have 16, or rather 4 bars, yada yada, 16 bars in a loop. And if we're doing 4 loops, it'll be 64 beats, and so on. Worth knowing, but not that important. So here's the structure of a pop song. Remember, almost every pop song is built the same way. You have the intro, 2 verses, 3 choruses, a bridge, and then an outro. And that ends up being about 2.5 to 3 minutes. And it's about the length of a song that you hear on the radio. So the very first thing I'm going to have you do is replicate the structure exactly right here. So the step 1 sort of explains it. When you're on Soundtrap, I've given you one 4-bar loop. And so what you want to do is copy it by highlighting it. It'll get darker, Command or Control C, and then click on the track that you want to copy it to. Make sure the purple line is set up, and then I can simply go for a verse. I want 4 loops, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I know I want a chorus, so I'll click on chorus, and I'll go 1, 2. And then I know I need another verse, so I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. I know I need a chorus, 1, 2. I need the break, 1, 2. And actually I'm going to use the zoom out so I can see it all. And then I want one more chorus, 1, 2. And then I need 1 loop for the outro. So that is the first part. Now I have the structure of a pop song set up, so that if I wanted to play it through, it sounds something like this. So it's the same loop, so it's not going to be the most exciting thing, but you will have the structure of your song set up. The next thing you want to do is you want to start adding, you want to mirror this with your own loops. So you have the structure of it set up. We'll go to add a new track. Voice and microphone is fine. We just need the track to be sitting there. And so we'll go into the loops and we'll think about what do we want to hear. So usually a good loop has some sort of drum behind it, or it can be really anything. But so say you wanted to do a drum loop, and you could choose anything else, maybe R&B drum, and we can check out what it sounds like. It's a little slow for what you're going for. This is all a little slow. What about some 808s? Oh, we could do some interesting things there. So we'll drag this out, and we want to make sure that it fits the same structure, so we got to adjust it. And so now I've got matching the outro, and I'm probably going to want to match the intro. Now I can match up with the outro as well. And then I want to make sure that just get it set up. I want to make sure that I have 4 more tracks set up. Doesn't matter that they just say mic. And I'm going to drag out the loops that I want to go behind the setup that I have. So we'll just hit play here. Sounds terrible, but you get this. I can mute that, and now you sort of get the idea here. So you don't have to use this. I just want you to set up the structure of it so you can mirror it with your own loops. Make sure that you press. You'll have a title for it, but make sure that you press save to make sure that I get it. And that is how you do parts 1 and 2. Good luck.